So question here from Stacy Carp. You have the Audio-Technica ATH M50X. Yeah, I think I know exactly which headphones you're talking about. You don't have the Bluetooth ones, right? Yeah, I know which ones you're talking about. Yeah, it's these right here. Yeah. So Stacy is talking about these headphones right here. These are also another great pair of headphones, the Audio-Technicas. These are very comparable to the Sony headphones that I have on right now. I have used these. I built out a big studio in Vancouver, and I had these as the standard headphones in the studio, the one that you're talking about right now. These are great, but I think that the Sony headphones are better for a couple different reasons. Number one, these Audio-Technicas, the joint right here on these Audio-Technicas broke on a couple units. Actually, this part, right? Sorry. I'm moving it with one hand, inverting and looking at the screen on the other one. This part broke on a couple of them when I dropped the headphones. Now, given I dropped the headphones, so, I dropped it. So that's one disadvantage there, but they broke, whereas these headphones have not broken when I've dropped them. And one of the reasons why I think these headphones broke when I dropped them though, okay? So let's be straight up. I dropped the headphones, but is that they're much heavier and bigger and bulkier on your head than the Sonys that I'm using right now. And I like a lighter pair of headphones on my head versus a heavier pair of headphones. Some people feel differently. Other people like feeling like they're wearing a freaking helmet on their head when it comes to headphones. I don't. I want light and fluffy headphones that I just forget they exist. These Audio-Technicas are heavier and bulkier on your head. And in my opinion, they're less flexible with the band on top. The band on the top of the Sonys, see how thick and fluffy the band is here? The band on the Sonys is like razor thin, which also reduces the weight. I'm just gonna switch to a weird, awkward shot of my head. But do you see the band on the top of my head with these Sony headphones? How thin that is? See how it's not fluffy? Whereas if you look at the Audio-Technicas that you have, Stacy, they are fluffy. So that's the big difference between these headphones. The audio quality is similar. I think that the Sonys have a better high end and the Audio-Technicas have a better low end. But if you want big, hunky, fluffy headphones, the Audio-Technicas that you're mentioning, the ATH M50Xs are probably better. And if you want lighter, more accurate highs and clarity, then the Sony headphones that I'm wearing are probably better. Okay, I've used both of these. They're both great pairs. So for you, Stacy, if you're asking, should I buy those Sonys as an upgrade? It's not going to be that much of an upgrade. You know what I mean?